I want to give you the strategy behind the strategy. So behind that personalized, individualized, unique strategy that you're going to use to enroll your students to start to grow and scale your courses, this is the strategy behind that. Hey guys, it's Dr. Sonia here with Jump First. Say it with me. Done is better than perfect. Master one thing at a time. Practice makes better. And this has to work. Let's get hello. Great morning, awesome party peeps. It's Dr. Sonia here with Jump First. I hope that you are doing well. Welcome back to another episode. Today I'm going to talk to you about 3 things that I did, okay? 3 very specific things, and I'll lay them out for you that I did to grow my online course business to 6 figures in 90 days. You can do them too, and it guarantees results. Now, if you've been following me for a while, then you know I hardly ever say guarantees results, okay? Because I know that everyone's work ethic is different. However, if you follow the 3 steps that I'm going to give you today, then I guarantee you will be successful, okay? Especially when it comes to launching your course and launching it profitably. If you don't know what we do here, we talk all things premium courses, whether it be online or face-to-face, how you can package what you know, your knowledge, your expertise, your life experiences into the format of courses, luxury coaching and mentorship programs, and all of those things to reach more people, help impact more people at a deeper level. If that interests you, hit the subscribe button, like button, bell notifications so you know when more episodes like this drop, and we can hang out live. Okay, what's going on, IG? I see you on as well. All right, let's get into the 3 things that I'm going to give you again. If you follow each and every one of these 3 things, it will guarantee your success, okay? It's inevitable. Now, once we get to number 2, I'm going to give you 3 again. Once we get to number 2, that's where the personalized, individualized strategy is going to come in. That's going to help you get to number 3, okay? This will make sense in a second, but I want to give you the strategy behind the strategy. So behind that personalized, individualized, unique strategy that you're going to use to enroll your students to start to grow and scale your courses, this is the strategy behind that, okay? So this is the one that not a lot of people talk about, but it needs to be studied more. And so I'm just going to give it to you real quick. This is something that I did years ago, quite a few years ago now, to start to scale my course to 6 figures every 90 days, like very, very quickly, okay? First things first, you got to get focused. You got to eliminate the distractions. Lots of people have a goal. They think they know what they want, especially coming into courses. I'll give you an example. Most of the times from my clients and students, I hear, I want to enroll this many people. Right? That's cool, but that's not a focused, intentional goal, right? Like I need you to get super focused. What is it that you want? You want to enroll this many students by when, okay? How much money do you want to make from that? How much impact do you want to make? The number of students that you are enrolling, how many of them are going to be successful? And what do you define or how do you measure success, okay? That's what I mean by focused and intentional, okay, about that goal. So you got to get focused. You got to eliminate the distractions. All the distractions are going to come. We are on social all the time. We already know we see distractions every single time that we open up our phones. Social, whether it's social, your text messages, your emails, whatever it is, you have to eliminate the distractions. You got to put your blinders on. Number 2 is going to help you with that. Number 2 is you need to invest in a mentor. Like instead of you throwing things against the wall, trying to figure out what's going to stick, work with somebody who already has the results that you want. That's how you get there faster. You can do it on your own, but maybe it'll take you a year, 2 years, 3 years, right? Like of you trying to test and figure all the things out. If you want to go fast, and I'm talking like 90 days fast or less, hiring a mentor, investing, okay, and somebody that's going to help you get the results. That's how you go fast. Like I'm telling you what I know from my experience, not what I heard, okay? This is what I know. So number 1, get focused, eliminate distractions, know what it is that you want with so much clarity that you can say the goal in your sleep, okay? You know it like the back of your hand. Number 2, invest in a mentor, because once you know what it is that you want, you're going to know where to invest. Like a lot of times people are like, well, I tried that before. I invested in a coach. I invested in a mentor. Yeah, but did you invest with clarity about your goal? Did you invest with the clarity and knowledge of what exactly you wanted? Or was it some generalized goal or approach that you were taking? When you get super focused and intentional and very clear about what you want, you're going to know where exactly you need to invest, okay? So from my own experience, there have been times in my business where I knew I needed someone to help me with my emails. Okay. I needed someone to help me with marketing. I needed someone to help me with messaging. And so at very specific times in my business, that's when I choose to hire that specific mentor. Okay. So you got to know where you are in your business and you got to know what you want. And then you invest at that level. The third thing is getting results. Okay, remember I said earlier at the top of this episode, you can't get to number 3 without number 2. So all of these, if you follow each step by step, don't follow them out of order. You need to go in order. Okay, number 1, knowing what you want, getting clear about that. Number 2, investing in a mentor. Number 3 is getting students results. If people are not getting results from your program, you don't have consistent referrals. You don't have that consistent traffic coming in. When you are getting your students results, they're going to be your biggest marketers, okay? Like, they're going to market the course for you. They're going to market the program for you because they're going to talk about and want to talk about the results that they're getting inside of your programs. But if you have a program that's not getting results, then you are not going to get consistent referrals. You're not going to see the sales. Like, you can't sustain a course that's not getting results, okay? So that's number 3. That's all you have to do is start getting people results. Have them talk about their results. That's literally it. And then you just repeat this process as many times as you want. But this is the strategy behind any personalized strategy. Remember in number 2, when I talked about hiring a mentor, investing in somebody who has the results that you want, they're going to be able to give you the individualized, personalized strategy. They should be, especially if you're clear on your goals from number 1, all right, to get to number 2 and invest in that mentor or coach. They're going to give you the steps that you need to take in order to achieve the result. And then in turn, you're going to get your students and clients results. It's as easy as that. But so many people don't want to take 1 or 2 or any of these steps in order to get what it is that they want. You rather just spend the time, waste the energy, okay, trying to figure it out on your own when it really is a streamlined process. You just have to be willing to take these steps. Okay, so get focused, dial in. I'll repeat them one more time. Dial in your goal. What is it that you actually want? Don't just say, I want to enroll X number of students. Like, no. What's the timeline for enrolling those students? How much money do you want to make? What's the impact that you want to make? What determines the success of your students? Okay. How do you measure that? Get very specific about what it is that you want. From there, you're going to uncover what you need. Okay. And that's going to bring you to number 2, investing in your mentor or coach. You'll know exactly who to invest in, what programs to invest in, because you'll know what it is that you want. You'll know where you are and where you're going. Number 3, get clients and students results. So your program should be tailored to a specific audience, the people that you want to serve in that particular program, and they should be getting results. The more they get results, the more you're going to be able to continue to sustain the course. Okay, the marketing, all of those things are very important. I always say there's no better like marketing than your students and clients who are coming through your program and actually showing other people, hey, this is what's possible because these other people have gotten the results. It's not just me. They're doing it too. Okay. Like, that's the best marketing piece that you can have for your courses going forward. So I need to bring that real quick because this isn't talked about enough. People talk about one of these steps here and there, and it's sprinkled throughout, but these are the exact steps that I use to grow my course business to 6 figures in 90 days. Okay. Every 90 days, 6 figures. All right. So this is what I use. And this was back in 2021. Oh my God, it's been a minute. 2021. So if you want to, so we're not new to this, okay? We're true to this. So if you want to go faster, again, these are the steps that you need to follow. If you're just joining and tuning in, go back and watch this from the beginning. I promise it is going to change the game for you, especially right now. We're in the middle of 2025. You can do this before we get into 2026. That's so weird to say. Like, we're going into 2026. But you can do this before we get there. Okay. So you can do it right now. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all so much. If you're interested in learning more about how I can help you do this, go to jumpfirstacademy.org to get started. Again, it's jumpfirstacademy.org. You're going to see a free 30-minute video over there. It's a training and it has resources that will help you move forward. There are free resources as well as paid. Again, it's on demand, so you can take it at your leisure. But it takes you less than 30 minutes to go through it, okay? And it'll break down the additional strategy that I talked about in this episode too. So this is the strategy behind the strategy, but it'll break down the strategy for actually putting together your courses, all right? Again, jumpfirstacademy.org is where you want to go to get started. The other way that you can jump in and get some more mentorship and training from me, if you like the way that I teach, I'm teaching a live workshop on Thursday. In order to get in, you do have to apply. You can go to jumpfirstacademy.org/VIP to get started. I will tell you this. The live training that I'm teaching on Thursday is a little more advanced. So it's for you if you know you want to create courses, if you've been sitting on the idea for a minute and you're like, I just need to get it out there. then come to the advanced workshop. Come to the live training on Thursday. Again, jumpfirstacademy.org/VIP. If you are not sure about courses, or if they're the right next step for you, or you just are getting started and you're like, I don't know enough yet, I need to know, like, how do these things work? Then I'm advising you to start with the free on-demand training. Again, go to jumpfirstacademy.org for the on-demand training, okay? I love y'all so much. Jay Kali, you have a beautiful day as well. I appreciate y'all. If you're watching the replay, let me know what time it is, where you are watching from. And don't forget, hit the subscribe button, like button, bell notification so you know when new episodes like this drop, and send it to somebody else who needs some inspiration, okay? Some positivity, and also someone who's looking to create courses. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all, and I'll catch y'all back here tomorrow. Bye, y'all.